While competitors are pushing out easy to use services in terms of generative AI, AWS is still living in the past. Instead of working on the new services they announced quite recently, like Bedrock and Titan, they are still pushing down our throats their old, haggard, and laggard services, like you can see on your screen right now. I have been browsing through AWS website and I came across this solution pushed out by AWS where you can patch together various AWS services like S3, Kendra, and lot of others, and then build a generative AI application by yourself. Just by looking at it, I really feel very bad for AWS because this perfectly encapsulates and depicts AWS very haphazard positioning with generative AI. Rather than talking about the power and opportunity it unlocks for your use cases, they are just pushing down and doing the marketing of their own services, which I believe hardly anyone uses. I mean, who uses Kendra? Maybe 1% of the organizations, or maybe 2%. That's it. So if you look at this photo on your screen, you can see that they are presenting a pile of components you need to patch together yourself into something that even AWS doesn't quite understand what they are doing. If you go to their website and read through it, you will see that this solution is aimed at making a request to an external LLM, and then you need to learn all of these services, also do a lot of legwork to get this working. Um, I think AWS really needs to lift their game up. They're a great company with great products, but instead of um, doing this patchwork, they need to focus on AWS Bedrock and Titan and release it as soon as possible. I hope that that made sense. If you have any feedback on this, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.